class 1, my parents went to the US and they returned when I was in class 7. That was nearly after 5.5 years. I had become a teenager by then. And all those years I stayed with my grandparents or my aunt, and I was a quite independent teenager. They let me do whatever I wanted. They never questioned me. What do you want to do? Why do you want to do this? Or why do you want to go there? Why don't you want to go there? And I was really independent. When my parents returned, it was like, they wanted to know every bit of my life. Like, they had missed 5 years, five and a half years of my life. They wanted to know me better too. So they would ask me questions about, what are you doing? Why are you sitting alone? Why this? Why that? And then they would take me to visit relatives whom I hadn't seen for more than 5 years. And it was annoying. Greeting people you don't know, going and sitting with strangers, talking to them. It was really annoying. And I was a teenager at that time. The times when teenagers don't feel like doing things that their parents ask them to do. I was in that stage at that time. It was really tough for me to adjust. And then I went back to school. The vacation's over, and I went to school, and my parents had a long chit chat with my principal. And then after some days, my principal came and said, I want to talk to you. That was really strange for me because he had never said that. And then after that, he was asking me how my vacation was, how I spent the time with my parents, what I did, what they told me to do, and all those stuffs which he never asked anyone about. And then I was thinking that something is wrong. And then he was telling me that my mom is upset with me because I didn't interact with them properly, or I had changed a lot. But I was behaving normally because that's who I was, that's who I had become in all those years. It was very normal for me, but then my parents had a lot of expectations. And then again when the next vacation came, it was a very lengthy vacation because I had to change schools and all this. So it was like nearly 4 months I stayed with them. And I guess it was time that helped. I didn't change, or they didn't change, or maybe we did. I don't have very good memories of that time, but then it changed. Everything is normal now. Now my parents and I, we are like best friends. We share everything with each other, and we spend a lot of time together. In fact, I spend more time with my parents than with my friends. So I guess it's just you need to give time for everything. Everything becomes fine as the time goes by.